Make some noise for Razor Man Nairobi!
Nairobi, how's everybody feeling tonight? Okay, Skeezer. Ask her what you all about. Let me take you out, maybe find out what you like, what's your type? Are you in long run, knowing for the hype? Are you one that is pass round, tiki-taka? Or one man, solid structure? You gotta tell man, don't like getting lazy from them, man. Tell us that I'ma take it slow, cause I really wanna know, what you've been looking for, I really wanna know. Okay.
What you've been looking for.
Skeezer said I really wanna know now. What you're looking for, let me show up, let me turn up and then lay down. Those lines that can have a girl's face shine, so bright like glitter, sparkle, skin, smooth, marble, teeth, white, arctic circle, nice, taste, apple, rumble. Girl, you know just how to wobble it. When I see you drop it, girl, you bubble in a big man step, go bubble in a, at a big man crazy, stupid, jumbling a, cause you know how to wind it. And the way my heart and beat go, at your baby, no, that's controller, can't give up so easily. See you with me, at you, said I'ma take it slow, cause I really wanna know, what you sound so amazing, Nairobi. Looking for, I really wanna know. Serge, take it away, go run. Okay, we go one more time. Skeezer, Ati, one. Tell her, girl, you know just how to wobble it. When I see you drop it, girl, you wobble it. Big man step, go wobble it. Ati, big man crazy, stupid, jumbling up. Cause you know how to wind it. And the way my heart and beat go. Ati, baby, hey, that's controller. Can't give up so easily, no. Ati said I'ma take it slow, cause I really wanna know. What you've been looking for. Someone in the city looking for. I really wanna know what you've been looking for. Said I'ma take it slow, cause I really wanna know.
What you've been looking for.
Looking for. I really wanna know what you've been looking for. Yeah. If you don't know, they call me Razor Man, aka Wembe Man, aka Mzee Wembe. Na tunasema mtoto akililia wembe Santa Kaka. Nairobi, today's gonna be a special one, and I want to start us off nice and easy. It's gonna be a good time. Sam, band, whenever you're ready. We call it City Nights, because in Nairobi we have a good time. 1, 2, 3. Ati uko pale kwenye club kwenye bar, nikihala nikisema what's up, nikikucheki unakaa kama star. Pale pale tunasema bottoms up, baby come slow, baby why no clothes, whisper in my ear, tell me where you wanna go, cause you the real deal for sure when you know, and for that I ain't never let it go. Sing it. Uko pale kwenye club kwenye bar, nikihala nikisema what's up, nikikucheki unakaa kama star. Pale pale tunasema bottoms up, baby come slow, baby why no clothes, whisper in my ear, tell me where you wanna go, cause you the real deal for sure when you know, and for that okay, I see you coming at me. So many things about you intrigue me. The way your body shape, man, it deceive me. And my heart, yeah, it be feeling easy. See, you got the key to my soul. And when I'm with you, I be really on the most. Man, different from the city to the coast. Cause when I think about you, baby, I just wanna skiza. She got me thinking about the island, about the bongo. Yeah, and how I really wanna hit, and make you do the split. I be yelling when you sing, yes, cause you really want the real thing. You made me take a flight just to seal deal, but you went Nintendo me. But the man wasn't quick with the real. Sing it with me, uko pale kwenye club. Niki hala, niki sema what's up, niki kucheki unakaa kama star. Pale pale tunasema bottoms up, baby come slow, baby wanna new clothes, whisper in my ear, tell me where you wanna go, cause you the real deal, never show when you know, and for that, I ain't never let it go. Hiya, baby come out to chini. Come to me, baby, kwani iko nini? I'ma have you laughing, feeling real silly, cause you gon' be my baby end to beginning la hey, ati end to beginning. You gon' be my baby end to beginning la whoa, end to beginning. You gon' be my baby end to beginning la you gon' be my baby end so now, I want to teach the crowd something easy. Okay, ati end to beginning. You gon' be my baby end to beginning la whoa. To beginning. Man, cut it. I want to teach this guy something nice and easy. Mnanisikia kweli? If you can hear me say 20. Beautiful. So I'm going to teach you something with my background vocalists. We say ati what? Uko pale kwenye club kwenye bar, niki hala niki sema what? Niki kucheki unakaa kama star. Pale pale tunasema bottoms up, baby come slow, baby want no clothes, whisper in my ear, tell me where you wanna go, cause you're the real deal, meshika hiyo. Okay, let me hear you guys. Ati uko pale kwenye club kwenye bar, niki hala niki sema what's up, niki kucheki unakaa kama star. Pale pale tunasema bottoms up, baby come slow, baby want no clothes, whisper in my ear, tell me where you wanna go, cause you're the real deal, man, for sure, man, you know, and for that I ain't never letting go. Nairobi, you sound beautiful tonight. You sound beautiful tonight. I told you today, you're going to experience the Razor Man live experience. And Razor Man jams with his goons. But before we get to all the good stuff, before we get to jamming and having a good time, I want to take it slow kidogo. Because I know today there's a few of you that have come as friends, and there's some of you that are toxic. But I'm going to show you how we do things and give guys some love. This one is called Rolling. Let's get it. Tied up. It's how I'm feeling when you're giving me all your love, baby. Got me held down. I cannot lie, I've been craving every day and night, baby. You see, super duper how you hold it down. Facing every day when I feel that it's time to frown. Shush, keep it hush. Cause while living it, they be really looking like clowns. Cause I'm in the wood, in the wood, in the deep now. We in the deep now. I tell you what, she got me rolling in the deep now. Okay, I'll be hustling, tryna get the bag, tryna make it fast, say, ain't no fumbling. I gotta get it right so we can do shit nice, cause anyway I'm hiking, biking, sailing like a sailor, like a Viking. ATC, I'ma do a world tour for your love, calling to the France, kind of like a side, sing it. Rolling in the world, in the deep now. Hey, we in the deep now. She got me what? Rolling in the deep now, in the deep now. Skiza, thing is, she got me like I got her, and that's why, baby, gotta be around her. 24, 48, call it any time of day. Peace of mind, really right, ain't gonna lead me astray. That's why I hold your hand, take you everywhere I go. So you, of course, shorty, you're the one I need most, the one that plays host and understands most. The things I need, come in the dust like Cisco. In the world, in the deep now, we in the deep now. Very simple, sing it. I think she got me rolling in the deep now, in the deep now. One more time in 1, 2, 3, 4, and we go rolling and rolling and rolling. Okay, skis up, she got me rolling in the deep now, in the deep now. Sema, Ati, you got me rolling in the deep now, in the deep now. I told you today's a party. Tumeachana na hizo mambo za mapenzi nini. Today is a special day for everyone that has been with me since day one. My Razor Man fans. And I said anywhere that Razor Man goes, Razor needs to sing the Razor anthem. Do you know what the Razor anthem is? What is it? What is it? Ati nini? Santa, Santa, Santa. Band, 1, 2, 3. If you know this one, you need to sing it with me, okay? Okay. Skiza, ati, tuko juu with the goons. Tuko juu with the goons like, hey, tuko juu with the goons. Okay, Sema, 1, 2, 20. Tuko juu with the goons. Kila siku, baby, this is how we do. With a drip, tunakuja real smooth. Ukitucheki, unashinda vuta fool. Tuko juu with the goons. Kila siku, baby, this is how we do. With a drip, tunakuja real smooth. Ukitucheki, unashinda vuta fool. Skiza, I be chilling with the goons in the city. We be moving real smooth, baby. When you coming at me, and I tell you what to do, boo. Have you melting like Sue? Have you telling me how you be in the mood and how you really be feeling my groove? Nikasema nah, babe, I'm with the boys, and today we playing with the big boy toys, yeah. Si akasalka akasema ni sawa, niko na maringo sana ni kama kawa. And I say nah, baby, so good, cause today it's me, the boys who repping the hood. Sema, ati, tuko juu with the goons. Kila siku, baby, this is how we with the drip, tunakuja real smooth. Ukitucheki, unashinda vuta boom. Sing it!
To the goons.
Kila siku baby, this is how we do. How we with the drip, tunakuja real smooth. Ukitucheki unashinda kuta boobs like goons. So my boy Robbie said something like this, huh? He said, Ati, what? Shorty say that you wanna put it on me, that she catch me when I'm chilling with the homies. I can even tell the time on the rollie. Hey, cause I'm off the Henny. Oh my God, the way he blessed it. Girl, you know that I'm wasted, so I can see your message tonight. I stop, I'm gonna take it slow. Girl, you ready? No, this a no.
That's a no.
This a no.
That's a no.
That's a no. No. When you got the light, sing it to go. Kila siku, baby, this is how we do. How we with the drip, tunakuja real smooth. Ukitucheki unashinda kuta boobs like sing it to go through with the goons. Kila siku, baby, this is how we do. How we ukitucheki unashinda. Haya, skiza ati unashinda kuta boobs like ati unashinda kuta boobs like sema unashinda boobs like ati tuko hey to go through with the goons like. My people, I told you the party is just getting started. If you're having a good time, let me hear you say, Twende! No. That wasn't strong enough. We'll come back to that. Right now, right here on this stage, I want to bring on one of my biggest, best friends, my brothers. They call him Mali. Wapi kelele ya Mali?
Nairobi, eh? Nairobi, ah. Nairobi, eh? Nairobi, ah. This is a little song of ours. It's called Stagger.
All right. Mali, relax. You're spoiling the show. Relax.
Sorry, I'm excited. I'm excited.
So before we start this next thing, on the count of 3, there's only one word I want you to shout. What word is that? I love that. So on the count of 3, you're going to cue in the band. Mko tayari? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Hey. Jukata Soweto. Yeah. All black attire doesn't really your desire. I've been watching your movements and they have me so clueless. Scarlett Johanna, mysterious and a stunner. Lead me out with your fragrance. I hope your heart is vacant. You got my mind in the clouds, wondering when you come around. Tiptoe when you hear the sound, 'cause you can't be sitting down. 'Cause we wanna see you stagger.
Really got me wondering what you can do when you get down to bubbling. Nice, easy, go on and beckon it. Bum, jiggle, go on. I think they know right price, so I'm a bet on you. Always, baby, roll the dice. Ain't gonna chase you, ain't no game of cat and mice. But if you straight with me, tell it to me, it gon' be nice. So baby, shake it, drop it low and bend it. Daily reoffending, girl, I like it when you
send it.
So just drop on it, put a little bounce in it. When the most go, baby, all of it up. 'Cause you can stagger it up and get me wondering,
Aye.
and you can stagger it up and get me wondering why. We want to see you
Stagger.
like you don't even
Matter.
Let me show you how to do it. We want to see you
Stagger. Like you don't even stagger. Matter. We wanna see you stagger. Like you don't even. Yeah.
Hey. Alright, we're partying. And we're doing it the Razor Man way. Haya, najua hii kweli. Skiza, ati, what? We turn it up. Sisi tuko hapa and we shutting it down. Kicking it out. Kila mtu hapa know what we be about. Tuko vibes, na magalit. Tuko sight, why lie? Hey, no time. Police stage to the goons one time. Sing it, I'm on the stage and I'm knocking them out. Who's me and the guys who's taking it easy. I'm on the stage and I'm rocking the microphones. Me and the guys who's taking it easy. Now, John, you drop hapa. Hey, ati, Jew, tunavuka, tunaruka, tunaduda, kakapuka. Steady vibes got the boom boy trade. When they start to hear the rhymes, how will it complain? Cause see me repping the 2-4. Ziki, Tamu, dance for sure. Na mafans wakisema tunarudia, energy ni kali ya kuvutia, vutia. Sing it, I'm on the stage and I'm rocking with my goals. Me and the guys, we taking it easy. I'm on the stage and I'm rocking with my goals. Me and the guys, we taking it easy. Sing it with me, Ati, Jew. Ati, I'm on the stage and I'm rocking with my goals. Me and the guys, we taking it easy. I'm on the stage and I'm rocking with my goals. Me and the guys who taking it easy. Okay, one word. Say what? Say what? Say goons. 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 Easy. Say what? Say goons. 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 Easy. Okay, Joe. I'm on the stage and I'm rocking with my goons. Me and the guys who taking it easy. Aye, aye, I'm on the stage and I'm rocking with my goons. Me and the guys who taking it easy. Watu wangu wameondoka mko wapi? I saw you over here. Ati. Twende, ati. Haya, skiza, one more thing, ati, what, ati. Now she says she wanna take things slow. See, I got everything that she needed and more. And I'll be knocking at your door. Ready when you're ready, best believe it for sure. So you can holler at me, I'm there already. Love is steady, steady, steady. Whenever, baby, you say you're ready. Ati, what? Now you say you wanna take things slow. See, I got everything that you needed and more. And I'll be knocking at your door. Ready when you're ready, best believe it for sure. So you can holler at me, I'm there already. Love is steady, steady, steady. Whenever, baby, say one more time, say what? Say go, 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 go. Easy. Say what? Say what? Say go, 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 go. In this moment right here, I'd love to introduce my band. The people that are making me be right here doing what I'm doing and sounding so amazing. On the guitar right here, I want him to come forward. They call him Surge Papa! All right. And here, on this side, we got someone who goes by the name Jerry. Help me. Go Jerry, 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 go Jerry. Usivuje drum za watu wewe. Vurugu ni mingi na kona. And right here on the keys, he's a maestro. He's my brother. He goes by the name Sam the boogeyman. Sam the boogeyman.
Pourquoi?
Sam the boogeyman.
Pourquoi?
Sam the boogeyman.
Pourquoi?
Sam the boogeyman.
Pourquoi?
Listen to that bass, my people. Aren't you moving? Aren't you grooving? And right here on the melodies, the BGVs have got Farley and Andrea. Let's go.
My goals mean the guys we're taking it easy. On stage and I'm rocking with my goals mean the guys we're taking it easy.
Andrea.
Yeah.
On the stage and I'm rocking with my goons. Me and the guys, we're taking it easy.
Okay, we pick it up. 1, 2, 3, 7. I see I'm on the stage and I'm rocking with my bones. Me and the guys, we taking it easy. I'm on the stage and I'm rocking with my bones. Me and the guys, we taking it easy. Say what, say go. Go, 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 go. Say what, say go. Okay, 1, 2, 3,
20.
We, mmechoka kweli? Mmechoka? Are you sure? If you're not tired, let me hear you say 20. 20. Higher, Basi. This next one is a fan favorite. Anyone who knows me knows I come from the coast. And I've got to pay homage to the coast. Ju coast, tuko coast tu raha. Au sio? Mtoto akililia wembe?
Mpe.
Santa kaka. Band whenever you're ready. It's a very simple one. If you know it, a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Ati tuko tropical settings. Na my guys, my day, wako hapo ma painting wa? No capping. Good times as we sip and we hit and we listen to the rhymes. Right there, bust a dance girl, no shame. Baby, break your back, no D. Show you in the coast of the hips. Sway right to the drums, oh this way.
Kuonyeshe mapenzi unayotaka.
Sema
Marafiki wako pia wawe na furaha.
vibe.
Zetu ziwe pale pale sawa sawa. Ndio ujue Mombasani mambo.
My friend Oma says something like this. Ati, unanidai na kudai pia. Nimekuna so many nice beer. Ati Kilimani, that's my set dear. Ati unanishuku baby tulia. Ati no games, umeslay to me t-shirt, you never came to play. Okay, that's fine by me, baby right by me. Ati SM, wasn't got the time on. Table flex it, wine and rewind it. Put it looking fat and behind it, test it. Let me see if I can handle it. Let me see if I can handle it. Guy you meiva wala you meniweza. Nimetupendana ita blind kukuwacha. Kwanza, nimekakabagi nikutreat twende huko Mombasa. Twende huko coast tu raha.
Kuonyeshe mapenzi unayotaka. Marafiki wako pia wawe na furaha. Vibe zetu ziwe pale pale sawa sawa. Ndio ujue Mombasani mambo
And I said, ati tuko coast tu raha. When it's you baby imepanda. Ndio maana I gotta keep you by my side with you. Me I feel complete, no lies. See you more class. Make me feel like I'm in Daro, no cap. Really got on the vibes though. Ju kutoka coast hadi Santo. I'ma blow my salo. You give me the barrel.
kuonyeshe mapenzi unayotaka. Marafiki wako pia wawe
shika shoulder hivi and roll. Ati Johnny kuonyeshe mapenzi unayotaka, marafiki wako pia wawe na furaha. Vibe
zetu ziwe pale pale sawa sawa.
ndio nini? Take us back to the salsa. Let's go. One, two, three, 20. Wow, wow. Let me say one thing. I came and did my thing, and I'm sure that I left a sting. Couple shorties came and took the ring after they heard my flow, and then they heard me sing, cause, see, I was smooth with it. And then I made a little mood with it. Had a couple guys feel a groove in it, and then they calling me king, started approving it. Skiza, 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 skiza. Others call me Kenyan burner, cause nilikuja nikaleta hiyo fire. Wengine wao wakaanza kuni admire, but I'm only starting locals to retire. But I thank you all. Because of you I can stand tall and catch a vibe on the dance floor. It's all for you that I'll never fall. Now before I leave this stage, I want us to jam one more time. Are you gonna jam with me? Are you gonna jam with me? Mlisema mjachoka, sio? Kawaida tu, on the count of 3. Are you ready? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey! Do you really know this one, my people? Haya, wacha nianze hapa. Sikiza, ati ni vile unavyokatika unavyo dance girl, vile kiuno inanita nitazam girl. Make me feel at ease, make me spin around girl. It's like a drunk disorder, they call it Zam Zam. When you're at the coast, baby, living stress free. Pale Dar es Salaam, mama pale Zanzi. Ni kama many roga, baby, with the brown skin. Wanted to have you be mine, be my one thing. But you check, baby, ati come at me, let me show you how to 1, 2 step on the dance floor. How much could you ask for? Let me show you how RZA do it when you start chatting with the real slow. Got your mood up and down like a seesaw. Got the waves crashing warm waters like El Nino. I'm a finesse real good Ronaldinho. Make sure nobody. Okay, too white, too rumble, bumble.
Baby,
you know you're the sun in the summer gummy. As you turn it out now, babe, I'm too lazy. Like in this hour, catch a vibe with the
come baby girl. Wanna show you some things I've seen so far. Come be my ride or die. Wanna give you keys to my room. Baby, come forward, baby, why no? Moving forward, no commotions. Break it down lower.
See we getting down lower, but you ain't slower. To the beat with the rhythm, gully you go. I'm sailing like Noah in a storm, like a Yoda, like the wise man. Walk you check it, you, you're my yota. See you mine. Feel so what? Feel so right. Nip it what? Nip it tight. Nip it what? Nip it nice. To rumble, bumble. You know you the sun in the summer gummy. As you turn it out now, babe, I'm too lazy. Looking in this hour, catch a vibe, a dip.
Come baby girl. Wanna show you some things I've seen so far. Come be my ride or die. Wanna give you keys to my rover. Baby, no slow, baby, don't know. Moving forward, no commotion. Break it down over.
Bang, take it away. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna sing it one more time. Are you ready? 1, 2, ati. Getting down lower, catch you white slower. To the beat with the rhythm, gully you go. I'm sailing like Noah in a storm, like a Yoda, like the wise man. Walk it, check it, do you're mine. Why? See you mine. Feel so right. So what? Nip it time. Nip it what? Nip it nice. To rumble, bumble. You know you're the sun in the summer gummy. As you turn it out now, babe, I'm too lazy. Like in this hour, catch a vibe with the ladies.
Come baby girl, wanna show you some things I've seen so far. Come be
Obi. It's been a pleasure. This is Razorman signing out. I hope to see you all soon. All of you have been amazing. And I cannot be grateful enough. 1, 2, 3.
Wendy.
1, 2, 3, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 3.
Wendy.
Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. Nairobi, make some noise for Razorman.